Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you a little demo of Seedscout so you can see how it works. As you can see here, this is our Seedscout founder database. We have all the founders on our platform are right here. You can scroll through and take a gander. But for many of my customers and future customers, they're specifically interested in sectors or different filters. So we have these filters on the top. Let's use an example. Let's say you're only trying to invest in fintech, and let's say you invest in consumer, right? And right now, let's say you only invest in the United States, but because you're trying to deploy the money that your LPs gave you, you're trying to invest in companies like now, right, that are actively fundraising. So we check the status to actively fundraising, and here we have I don't know, maybe 20 companies that are actively fundraising that are fintech or consumer that are located in the United States. It's pretty cool. And we can take a look at more information about the companies. Let's look at Taghawk, for example. Taghawk is the first community resale marketplace. We can see when they are added. We can see the founder's LinkedIn. We can see the domain authority. We can even see some information about their fundraise. There's information about their fundraise. And we can ultimately scroll through these different companies until we find one that we like. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Seedscout because it has completely full data. And we're going to look at their fundraise and we'll see, oh, they're raising 1 million, 10 million posts. They already have some investors. They're a C Corp. Great. We don't have to worry about that. They've already issued shares. Great. They already kind of did some of these things. I want to request an intro. So how do you request an intro on Seedscout? Well, it's really easy. If you just go back to the company tab and you click add new, all you have to do is write a message, a custom message to the founder saying, hey, Matt, love this space. Would love to jam and potentially invest. And then I click save. And now what's going to happen is we're going to get an email confirming that the intro request just came off. So I want to pause it real quick and it'll come back with the email on the screen. All right, so we got the email. So if I go over to my email client, we can see at 9:35, I'm missing the first name, so I'll figure out what's going out there. But this is a confirmation saying that we just fired off an intro request to Matt Sherman at Seedscout. The intro ID is 392. Thanks for using Seedscout. So this is just a confirmation that what I wanted to do was request an intro happened. And now actually Matt Sherman, which is me, but in this case, it's a different person, they have an intro request from me in their inbox for them to take action on. So that in general is how Seedscout works. Browse companies that interest you through different filters, and then request intros, and then meet the founders. It's pretty simple. It's only $50 a month.